What's going on, guys? We are headed to Bad Dad Custom Cycles to pick up my new dash for the Road Glide. Now, if you guys haven't heard of or know of Bad Dad, which I'm sure if you're a bagger guy, even a softail guy, Bad Dad is one of the leading companies out there doing custom aftermarket bodywork panels. They even do air breathers and floorboards. They're getting into a ton of stuff. And the cool part is they're starting to do a lot of performance style stuff for baggers. So yeah, we are heading up there now. I'm gonna try to bring you guys back behind the scenes again to show you exactly how these dashes are made and what you should expect if you get a dash from Bad Dad. And of course, I'm gonna have the link down below to get to their website. So if you guys have any questions about, what do they offer part-wise, they have it listed. And they got a ton of really cool pictures of some builds that they've done in the past. So I'm gonna hit the road and we will see you there. So we are pulling in. So over here is their main warehouse where they do a lot of the fab work, a lot of the stuff. And over here is the office, and they still do a little, mock-up stuff here. So, all right, let's get in here. Ooh, this is cool. I dig that.
So this is your front mounting point for the dash. So basically just use this. So when this is out, this is loose.
Okay. Keeps the front end clean. That's
Yep.
cool. Okay.
Hardwareless.
Okay.
And then you spin that in.
Yep.
And then to tighten, you can basically just use the piece as your wrench. You don't have to go gorilla
Too
out or
tight.
anything.
Okay.
And then your bottom bolt will still be in at the base under the seat.
So check out these floorboards. Is this prototype or is this
the real deal.
the real deal? Okay. Okay. Nice, man. They're super light. I mean, they velvet out the edges to lose some weight, and the mount. One big thing is a lot of times people have the dual, like for an ultra, for a limited, and it just looks silly. So that's sick. Sweet. And then for all you Dyna guys, the FXR style side covers here, these things. This is, last I was here, you guys were designing these, right?
Right.
Okay.
We're still in the prototype stage. They're basically in the final molding stage. We just gotta get all the fixtures and everything dialed in so we can make them in a repeatable fashion.
Right. So they have them for 24s and 23 down. Okay, 25.
23.
Yeah. Cool. And then what was the name of the fender again on this one? Legend series. So
Rear fender, those side covers, and then this style floorboard setup like you just showed. Those will all be the Legend. But
okay. Well, heck yeah, man. Super, super clean. Sweet. All right, so we just got it here. They had some stuff going on in the back, so we weren't able to go back to the back to check out where they make these. But I will have the video of, basically how they mold them, do all that, tagged up here, or maybe at the end of the video. I don't know yet. But yeah, it's nasty out here in Indiana. We're supposed to be getting like 5 to 6 inches of snow in a couple days. So yeah, motorcycle content and riding motorcycles, it's not really happening right now. But we got this. I'm gonna run home. We're gonna get this thing installed probably tomorrow, something like that. If you're looking for something to clean your bike up, these things are sweet. And they can paint it pretty much any color you want. All right, so with the dash, I don't know if you guys heard him earlier when he was talking, there is no mounting hardware on the front of this. So it cleans up the front end. You don't have to worry about, throwing a bolt in the front or anything like that. It's got a recess for the cap. Once you put the cap on, it holds the front down. And then on the backside, they have your mount like you do on your stock one. And the nice part is that hole's beveled out. I don't know if anyone has ever dealt with like the Jungle Store one. I had to drill another hole in one of the ones I had before. So this will be simple, easy peasy, lemon squeezy to get this thing installed. So again, if you're looking for something to clean your bike up, you got to check these out. They have them for the 23s and down, and then for the 24 and up touring bikes. Yeah, I want to give a huge shout out to Bad Dad. This company is right down the road from me, and it's a company that cares about what their product is, and they don't worry about necessarily getting as much out as they can. They worry about the quality of what they're putting out for the customers. So they've been in the game for years. I just found out they actually started with the chopper side of things back in the day, you know, Sportster 10s, you know, peanut tanks, all types of cool stuff like that. And it evolved into the bagger style stuff, because there's a lot of stuff you can do on the bike. Those floorboards that were in there, those things are sweet. Last time I was in here when I did the last video, they were still in the design era. They were still over literally in the CNC getting designed. So I'm happy to see that they got them mounted on a bike and got them, you know, ready to go. So hopefully I can rock a set of those this summer on the Road Glide. But yeah, I'm gonna get home and finish up the rest of the week. It is Friday, so if you're watching this, happy Friday. I hope you have a great weekend, have a safe weekend. And if you are getting into the weather like where I'm at right now, stay safe, and we will get with you next time. I appreciate you guys for coming hang out on RideorRot. If you are new, hit that subscribe button. And if you're not new and you're just watching this, because 87% of the people who watch my videos like consistently aren't following me, don't be that guy. Hit that follow button. It means the world to me. We'll talk to you guys later.